Rule 10. Stop paying for convenience. Money disappears fastest when you pay to save a few minutes. Delivery fees, express charges, one-click upgrades. Imagine two people living the same day. One outsources every small task, food, errands, decisions, paying a premium each time. The other slows down, plans ahead, and handles basics himself. At the end of the month, the first wonders where the money went. The second still has it. Convenience feels cheap in the moment, but repeated daily, it becomes one of the most expensive habits you have. This rule protects you. Pause before paying for speed. Ask, is this truly saving time or just avoiding effort? Batch errands. Cook simple meals. Choose systems over shortcuts. Most convenience purchases aren't necessities. They're stress reactions. When you stop paying for convenience, you start buying back control. Control over your money, your routines, your life. Convenience is comfort, but intention is wealth.